I started an Instagram account using AI to create a fake bakery, and in 1 week I gained more than 70,000 followers. Okay, wait, the page is not really mine. I'm just kidding. I'm only a scriptwriter, but the goal of this video is to find out how to create a video that will make us reach the same virality as this dinosaur-shaped croissant. If we analyze the case of this fake bakery, we can see that dozens of articles have been written about the croissant dinosaur. And Twitter, or should I say X, users have gained over 8 million views just by sharing this cute edible animal on their account. Now, the creator of these croissants is completely anonymous. All the content created by this page is faceless, and you don't need to be an expert baker to be able to do this. Can we achieve the same success by creating a faceless channel with animal croissant? Let's try to replicate it in just 3 minutes with the help of Video Talk. And yes, I know what you are going to say, but you have to pay to use the tool, and it is right. You need to pay for it, but I promise you that it is better to just one tool than 5 different tools. Also, mixing different tools is going to give you less quality, and let me say that I can give you a discount for the first 12 months. Stay until the end to discover it. So pay attention, little Cedric Grolet, and let's see how to do it. The first aspect we need to take care of is capturing people's attention to ensure that the retention of our videos is high. The retention of a video is the time that people spend watching the video. Normally, the retention rate is very high in the first seconds of the video, but then it drops sharply. We have to do everything to get our users to the end of the video, to ensure that people do not get bored with our croissants and that they want to watch more and more. Posting a simple image is no longer enough. Today, the audience has become familiar to bizarre images, so we need to do something more. Specifically, we need to focus on 2 aspects. 1, the originality of the video's narration, and 2, doing the video very dynamic with surprising moments. As for the originality of the narration, Video Talk allows us to use a trick to create a funny narration. For example, we know that croissants are the most famous food in France, so what is funnier than a French pastry chef speaking English with a Parisian accent, while it adds little French jokes to the video? To achieve this result, I'll teach you a simple move. Let's open Video Talk and enter the prompt for generating our video into the text box. If you are interested in this prompt, you can find it in the Get Inspired section of the platform. Now we need to move on to selecting the language of the video. Inside Video Talk, there are 2 aspects that concern the voice. The first is the language button, and here we will select the language of the video. In this case, I have selected English. When we move on to the second aspect, which is the voice style, here we have to select the type of accent that we want to reproduce. In this case, we want to create a chef who speaks in English with a French accent, so I will select French. Look what happened.
Meet Pierre, the pastry chef who turned croissants into a zoo. First came the elephant with its trunk-like curve, then the giraffe, tall and elegant. The lion's mane was a challenge, but Pierre...
Amazing, right? Well, we did it in just 3 minutes. Check out the timeline of this video if you haven't noticed. The second aspect that we must pay attention to is doing our video dynamic while we incorporate surprising moments. We must consider that people are easily distracted nowadays. Even you have been distracted while watching this video, right? No, I trust you are better and still 100% focused to know how to create viral reel. Let's go back to Video Talk. We have several alternatives that we can use. The first is the one we saw in the previous video. That is, adding a background movement to the image. The second option is to add motion to our image. In this case, we are not doing it more dynamic, but also adding surprise. Imagine you are watching the video and suddenly the croissant starts to walk and fight. Oh, really? Look at this. As we have seen during this video, we can videos some of the viral Insta account, but adding a touch of personalization and fun to make our content recognizable and better. And all this in a few minutes? Don't worry if you still have a lot of things to learn. In the next video, I will show you how to create consistent characters for your videos. So remember to subscribe and activate the bell. That's all for this video. Oh no, I forgot. I promised you a code to get 10% off on Video Talk. All you have to do is go to the website www.videotalk.app and apply this code 10VideoTalkYT. One last thing, some of the things we have learned in this video can be applied to other styles too, like anime video. Go and watch my video about it, and also you may learn something new to add emotion to the voices. Have fun creating videos.